All right, guys, today I just want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and overview on my ZeroHero 16-ounce milk frother pitcher. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and check it out. All right. It's definitely great if you're like a coffee lover. Let's check it out. Man, that is clean. That is really nice. So here's a better view of the actual cup here. As you can see, it's got a very nice professional design and dripless spout on there. As you can see, that inside is made of a very nice food grade stainless steel material that is safe and durable for high temperatures. And the outside also comes with a double layer, good for heat insulating and heat resistant. I do want to mention that the cup is washable. So you can see you could just remove that piece off and you can go ahead and put this in the dishwasher. This milk frothing cup can be used for steaming milk, cream, latte artwork, serving milk, and or just regular cream. Once I put it back, this is a very nice PU leather on the outside. So if you're looking for a new frothing pitcher, definitely look at this one, 10 out of 10.